still westbound. Traffic's medium. Road conditions are dry. Everybody's getting out of our way.
On August 15, 2024, Akron officers responded after a car was stolen with a 2-year-old child still inside. What followed became a dangerous pursuit with a child's life hanging in the balance.
He's coming back out to Market. He is going to, almost got an 8. We are going eastbound on Market. Eastbound, no, change that. We're turning on to Frank Boulevard now. Speeds are 20, 35 at the Ayers on Frank.
A suspected car thief doesn't realize he's just stolen a vehicle with a toddler still inside. Within minutes, officers locate the SUV and a dangerous pursuit is underway.
You're eastbound, not westbound. Eastbound on Copy Road, coming up to Brooklyn High School. Eastbound at the Cresting, speeds are 50. Road conditions are dry, traffic's medium, they're all getting out of our way.
These streets off.
Told from the south side is Fern. He's throwing the child out of the car. Units, we take this dude out, take him out with a cruiser. He's throwing the baby out of the window.
Instead of giving up, he keeps driving through city streets with the child still in the back seat. As the pursuit continues, every decision raises the stakes for everyone involved.
All right, the child's out of the car.
Get the kid.
Cruiser, stop to get this kid. Get this kid. No, car 9's got the kid.
Hey! Sorry, hey! It's okay, buddy. I've got 2 gallons of gas left, so you want to continue going. I got you, buddy. It's okay, pal. It's okay, buddy. You're all right, bud. You okay? You're seeing me, okay? You're doing me. Hey. Yeah. It's okay, buddy. You okay? It's okay.
Get him. Show me your hands! Show me your hands, motherfucker! Keep them up! Keep your hands up now! We're gonna get fucking shot! Alright, keep them right where they are. Put the car in park! Hey, keep your hands right where they are. I'm gonna back up. Sirens, cut the sirens.
Just when the chase couldn't get any more dangerous, he makes another reckless move. After leaving the toddler at an intersection, he crashes into a police cruiser and continues trying to escape before officers finally bring the pursuit to an end.
You got me. You got me. Hold on. Put your hands behind your back. Sir, do you have any weapons on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
Do you have weapons on you?
Clear back seat.
These are locked. Screw, get on your side.
Roll over.
Hey man, quit acting like that, man.
Bro, I'm on like 7 birds.
Okay, well you need to start acting like a fucking man right now.
I'm on like sure.
Bring your knees up to your
Roll
chest.
my way so I can start.
You certainly weren't freaking driving like you were on 7 perks. Like you were passed out. Let's go, man. Get your knees to your chest so we can stand you up. Get your knees. Yes, you can, dude. Shut the f*** up. Bring your knees up to your chest. Let's go. Let me get up, sir. Let me get up. Oh, you want to get up now?
Oh, we want to get up now.
Huh?
Stay awake, man. Stay awake. Yeah, don't fall asleep on us. You're all right.
Yeah. Kill me today. Nobody's killing you. About to do 10 years. What, I'm about to do like 20 years for this shit? No.
I don't know.
Look, nigga, I can speak through this. I don't give a fuck about this. Y'all putting on gloves like you finna kill me.
Hey,
Man.
can you send me this loser's info?
Shut your up, ho. Kill me with your gun.
He's being a real.
Hey, he wanna kill me, y'all. He wanna kill me. He wanna kill me. He wanna kill me.
Right?
You wanna kill me.
Alright, I'll see you, dude.
Yeah, you wanna kill me.
How old are you?
Yeah. What you talking about? Use your gun. Once in the head and I'll stop talking to you.
Mid-20s, early 30s.
We're just going nice.
Is this my caller? I've been trying to find you, man. Are they calling you right now?
Yeah, just
What's your passcode?
5612.
Would you call?
Huh? Yeah, that was me calling. I don't even know. The cop just told me where y'all was at.
Okay.
Hit mom.
We're here?
No, yeah, that one right there. Hello?
Hang on, it's calling. Or is she the one who called from Circle K?
Yeah, the mom
we
was
got
the one that called.
Hey.
Hey, we over here on East Bellevue. They got his little fat stretched out. But where's Tyson at?
What's his name?
Tyson Miller.
That's Tyson Miller?
No, that's my
the
son.
baby's Tyson.
No. Who's that dude? You know?
Where's the address? Okay. No,
I'm trying to get a hold of the caller, the original caller, the female, but it looks like
Where the
go to Children's. That's the best place you could be right now. Go to Children's Hospital. Tell her to with me at Children's. I'll be heading. Okay, stay there. All right. Okay. I'm gonna head to Children's. All right.
Hotel the female half. Car 5.
Granddad there.
Go ahead.
Yeah. His mom.
Anyone on scene at
Ladies, mom.
where the incident
This is the grandfather.
Okay.
I'm just a cousin.
Your cousin? Okay.
And this is
Have you guys?
Mom on the way?
he with the grandma.
You would not want him to stay?
Wait, Bird, wait. No, where
Has he not seen the child yet?
where Keith? They want to know where Keith or his mom.
They all headed to Children's Hospital. Where you at?
Baby's right here.
The baby's here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We're waiting on mom to get here. He's okay. I mean, we got him here. We got. You don't look like no bumps and bruises or nothing like that. Don't look like so. I mean. So we were just kind of waiting. We thought mom was coming here.
It's probably gonna be the grandma. And his uncle.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm calling.
Calling.
Okay.
So who called from Circle K?
The Circle K. Okay. The mother called from the Circle K.
Which one's mom?
And with the blue on.
Okay. Thank you.
Crazy. She can't be stressed out.
Thank you. Hey, ma'am, did they get your contact and phone number?
I'm gonna go ahead and get it. Yeah,
you got all that stuff?
I was on my way to Circle K to meet, and it all popped off. So, and then I went to the hospital, Children's, and they told me you just left. So.
Check you out or your family's concerned about your vitals and stuff.
I'm all right.
You sure? You want to check your blood pressure? Since you're pregnant, right? Let's get your blood pressure. It might be.
It's up to you if they wanted me to ask you.
All right.
Yeah, let's do that. Let's go walk down there. Come on. Yes, sir. You guys have the same Miller?
My last name's
This is Scurry. Seurry. Mr. Prick. Now, do you know that gentleman?
No, I don't know that man. I was in the gas station for 2 seconds and I came out and my car was gone. And I called 911, then I called his dad.
Sure.
And And then the lady showed me the video. I don't know that man. I didn't even know that he was standing anywhere around. I didn't see him when I went into the gas station.
Okay. That's good.
Okay.
Oh, look at him. Man, he all getting him good.
Investigators say the child was safely reunited with family and was not seriously injured. In the end, Jaden was sentenced to 15 to 16 and a half years in prison after pleading guilty to multiple felony charges, including kidnapping, failure to comply, felonious assault, grand theft of a motor vehicle, having weapons while under disability, endangering children, receiving stolen property. What are your thoughts on this case? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more real-world police encounters.